Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install 100% save file all mission completed in Spider-Man 2. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up Chrome and search Spider-Man 2 100 save file and press enter. Select the first site Nexus Mods. Select the download option next to manual. Select the slow download option. Just need to log into your account. If you doesn't have the account, then select the register here option to create a new account. After logging in, you just need to go back to the site and select the reload option. And now select the slow download option and it will start downloading. After getting download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. Double click on the extracted folder, double click on again, copy all these files and then check my video description for this file path guys. Navigate to the Spider-Man save file location depends on the game version you have. In my case I have this version, so I'm navigate to this path. And after you are in the path, as you can see I came in this path. And now paste the file in here, check the replace the file in the destination, then just to close stuff here and launch the game. And select the load game option and select the 100% auto save over here. And as you can see we are in this free room and now you can enjoy the game guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.